Hi, Ipsa this side. Again taking Maths 11th Trigonometric chapter. This part 2 of trigonometry, I'm taking specially tan theta questions which involve tans. That too a specific type of tan questions where you have multiplication, addition, subtraction of tans. For example, I've taken this question. It has seen multiplication of tans. It has addition, subtraction of tans. So how to go about such kind of questions? Okay. Now the three identities which will be very helpful, mostly used in such tan questions. One is tan 2a, we are aware of the double angle formula. Tan 3a, we are aware of this. These normally are used as it is. Okay, they're normally not humbled upon. Now this some angle, some identity is, you're aware of this also, tan a plus b is equal to tan a down. But now here comes the tricky part, that this top identity A should be able to know it, that ये ऐसे तो है ही फॉर्म में, ये तो हमको पता ही है, but we should be able to use, all I'm doing is just twisting it here and there. What have I done? I've just cross multiplied it. So what does it give us? It gives us addition of 2 times. This is addition of angles, A plus B. This, when I'm just flipping it, just cross multiplying it, it gives me a formula for addition of tans, tan A plus tan B. So one should be able to remember if this is also achievable from the same identity. That you don't consider it to be a separate identity. वहीं से निकाल लो, बस वहाँ से पता होना चाहिए कि हम sum of tans निकाल सकते हैं वहाँ से. इसी तरह if I shuffle it, jumble it up and do a lot of things, I'll get product of tans also. You try it on your own how to get product of tans. See, tan A into tan B. So this is product of tans, and if I jumble it up, it will be tan A plus B minus tan A minus tan B upon tan, or maybe we should write it like this: 1 minus so here we get an identity which gives us a product of 2 tans. Okay, now product of 2 tans is this, but don't learn them as तो हम हर एक identity learn करने लग जाएंगे तो we'll have infinite of them to learn. So stick to one, learn just one, but no, this is sum of angles, this is sum of tans, and this is product of tans, all derived by jumbling that one identity. Hope this is clear. That's the only trick that is used in typical tan AB questions, where the angles are known, not known, that we'll see. But can be used in both known angles and unknown angles, 10, 20 maybe. If the 90-degree concept, the complementary concept is not fitting in, then we can use these also. Okay. And complementary to, obviously, it will always be there. Suppose it is cot 10, that will be equal to tan 80. This we already know. We sometimes might need to use. Now let's come to the question itself. Okay. Now the first thing is, we always try to decide the difficult side. Now I had to find it both the sides difficult. What do? Let's think. Let's थोड़ा सा आगे सोचते हैं कि आगे क्या होगा। इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं, इफ आई स्टार्ट विद लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, आप क्या करोगे, tan 3a की आइडेंटिटी डालोगे, tan 2a की डालोगे और tan a को ऐसे छोड़ोगे। अब देखो आप सपोज इमेजिन मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस एंड दिस एंड दिस, क्या खिचड़ी पकेगी देखो, 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a into 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a into tan a। अब आपको लगता है ये कुछ सॉल्व होगा, नीचे इतना अलग, यहाँ पे अलग, यहाँ पे ऊपर दो टर्म्स, यहाँ पे एक, यहाँ पे एक, यहाँ पे, it will be a chaos. You will not be able to solve it at all, even if that means this is difficult side, but ये तो और difficult हो गई, ये तो simplify और हो ही नहीं रही, और खराब हो गई। So what we'll do is probably try avoiding this। जबकि डायरेक्ट हमें फॉर्मूलाज हमें पता है, बट स्टिल वी आर अवॉइडिंग इट, क्योंकि उनका फर्स्ट स्टेप के बाद है यू डोंट नो हाउ टू टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ दीज थ्री थिंग्स, व्हाट टू डू। सो लेट्स ट्राई द RHS। सो RHS इज tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a। Okay, now there's definitely something that can be done about it. We can pair them up. Let's pair my wish. I'm trying to pair these two. Okay, let me change one this thing here also. We have that tan a minus identity also, which just changes the signs here. We know tan a minus b. Now what is this? This is not tan a minus b identity. Look carefully. That is difference of angles, a minus b. This is difference of tans. Tan 3a minus tan 2a. This is difference of tan. ये बात ठीक से समझो. That is a minus b. This is tan a minus tan something. So this is, and we had just written down the formula for difference of tans. If you had just noted it down, tan A minus tan B was equal to tan A minus B 1 plus tan A tan B, by just reshuffling this. Remember, we reshuffle this and we'll get tan A minus B also cross multiply करने से भी मिल जाएगा. So let's try and do this here. Okay, क्योंकि अभी इतना सब देखो, सब न्यूमरेटर में आ रहा है, एटलीस्ट डिनोमिनेटर में कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीजें तो नहीं आ रही. डिनोमिनेटर में प्लस माइनस आता है तो बहुत मुश्किल होती है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, ट्राई टू नॉट हैव प्लस माइनसेस इन द डिनोमिनेटर. तो एटलीस्ट ये जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे, देयर इज नो डिनोमिनेटर, देयर इज अ सिंपल स्ट्रेट लाइन व्हिच इज इजी टू मैनेज. ओके, so if I, okay, let me write so that you can refer to it. Where should I write it neatly? So the formula that I'm using is tan alpha minus tan beta is equal to tan alpha minus beta and 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. This is the formula that I'm using, which I have done nothing but just cross multiplied the first formula and written it down. Now you have this. Same as this. What will you get? This is tan alpha, this is tan beta. हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. क्या लिखेंगे? Tan alpha minus beta, which is tan 3a. Fine. Next bracket. 1 plus tan alpha tan beta, right? Tan alpha tan beta. Okay. Tan 3a tan 2a. Good. And you're still left with this. अभी तो हमने इसका ये बनाया है, and I'm still left with this minus tan a. Okay, it looks, but at least it is in one go. It is just a numerator, there is no denominator, which is a big, big blessing. I tell you, it is a big, big blessing. What does this become? Oh, wow. We're already getting, see, look at your this side. We needed multiplication of uh, 2a and 3a. देखो चाहिए था ना, हमारे पास ऑलरेडी वो थोड़ा थोड़ा आने लग गया, 2a और 3a का मल्टीप्लिकेशन आने लगे. ओके, अब क्या कर सकते हैं? तो आगे बढ़ क्या कर सकते हैं? बढ़ कुछ नहीं सकते, इसको खोल दो. और क्या करोगे, मतलब एक ब्रैकेट है, एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, और कर क्या सकते हो आप? इसको को मल्टीप्लाई, ओपन को ओपन द ब्रैकेट, इट विल बिकम tan a, then it will become tan a, tan 3a, tan 2a minus tan a. So here, now what do you see? And what are you left with? Tan A, tan B, tan C. Oh, tan A, tan 2B, tan. You can see what it is. So it is exactly as LH. Okay. So what came handy, though we could have used this or this, but because we realized after writing one step only कि उसका करेंगे क्या इतने बड़े बड़े भयंकर से fractions का, so हम कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे. So we quickly changed into the other side and we used the shifted modified version of that identity. Hope it's slightly clear. All the best. Do it yourself and we'll work.